Welcome to Legit Pay Online. If you are a beginner or you are new on my channel, please turn up the notification bell for more updates like this and how to make money online. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel for more updates about airdrop and how to make money online. Without wasting much of our time, let's click on Daily Combo. Our first card for today is under BRN team. So under the BRN team, our first card is Beast Develop Team. Beast Develop Team. So let's click on it and go ahead. Yes. Now that we've unlocked the first card, our second card is still on PR and team. So our second card is Hamster Book. Yeah, that's our second card. Yes, that's it. So let's click on it and go ahead. Yeah, boom. Now that we've unlocked the second card, so our third card is under market. Yeah, the one behind the PR and team. So let's click on it, and the third card is Memo Coins. That's our third card. So let's click on it and proceed. Now we can now claim our token price for today. If you find this video so helpful for you, please don't forget to join our Telegram channel for more updates like this. Like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell for more updates. And anytime we drop any amazing video, you'll be the first person to notify. Thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. Remember that Allah Yomade loves you. Stay blessed and God bless. Peace.